Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet. So this is an 11-inch tablet. We do have a USB-C cable. We've got the charger. We are going to want to get it charged right away. Now it does have an 11-inch display. Wow, this thing looks nice. Got a power button, volume, the USB-C charging's at the very top. It does come with the little tool that we can open this slot up. We can expand the memory in it. We can put a SD card slot in it. Wow. So we can expand it. That's really nice. I like that. Looks like we've got speakers on the left. We've got a camera. Looks like a dock place for a docking station and nothing on the bottom. All right, so let's plug it in and let's turn it on. Now this is a 9-watt charger. You can plug the charger into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5.2 volts at 1.8 amps. Okay, you're going to select English. We can set it up manually or with an app. I'm going to do manually, and I gave it my Wi-Fi. I picked the Wi-Fi, and then I'm going to give it the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so this does have a fingerprint. You can unlock this with your fingerprint. And so the fingerprint reader is the power button. Okay, so it has you do several locations. You do have to put a PIN number also, but wow, that fingerprint reader worked really well. This is a super fast tablet. Wow. And then I love that it's got this button right here down at the bottom. That's your device dashboard. These are all your smart home devices in your house. That's really, really nice. That's a very vivid display. It says it has a 14-hour battery life. You can use a stylus pen with it also. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.